Hi guys, I'm back. Today I want to explain for you how to make a electronic load for testing chargers or power supplies. As you see, we have a drawing here. We make our electronic load by a LM317. By this IC you can make a reference voltage for your op amp here. The first stage is for making a reference voltage. As you see, we use LM317 and two capacitor. By these two resistors you make a constant reference voltage for the potentiometer that you see here. Connect to the non-inverting input of the op amp. The op amp can be LM358, and the inverting input it's connecting to this capacitor and this resistor. For the main part of our circuit, I use a Darlington power transistor TIP122, and another important part is this shunt resistor 50 milliohm. The LM317 make a reference voltage, and this potentiometer, by adjusting the reference voltage for this op amp, by this inverting feedback from this shunt resistor, try to adjust the output to equal to input of op amp. And by adjusting the base of the Darlington transistor, the current flow through the circuit, and you can test the capacity of your power supply or mobile charger or something else. This circuit I make it, and this is a practical circuit. You can use this circuit and make it by this component, and you can be sure that this will work for you. I put the component on the breadboard to show you how this works, and after the test I will assemble them on a PCB and will show you. Okay, as you see, this is the LM317. Come to this potentiometer 10 kilo. After that, this op amp LM358, and the main component, this power transistor Darlington transistor TIP122. Okay, let me to turn on the power supply and show you how this works. Okay, at the minimum situation, the circuit draw 50 milliampere, and by adjusting the potentiometer you can see that the current goes up. And okay guys, let me to assemble this component on a PCB, and I will show you the result. As you see, I assembled the components on the PCB and connect the USB port for the chargers, and also this connector for the wire. As you see, I use a nichrome wire for 50 milliohm resistor, and this is the TIP 122 10 kilo potentiometer, LM358 op amp, and LM317 regulator. Okay guys, this is the charger, and I can see the voltage and the amperage here. As you see, by turning the potentiometer, the amperes goes high, and like this you can test the capacity of your chargers or power supplies. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video, and bye for now.